Hey guys, welcome to another video here. We've got the 2024 Berkshire 45A here. Just came in about a week ago. Just thought I'd show you some features on it. Show you what this thing looks like. Tell that it's got the full paint on it. 22.5-inch tires on it. Outside entertainment. Pretty blue and black. This is a gorgeous coach, guys. Handy thing about these is you're paying a fraction of what you'd pay for, say, a Newmar, one of the higher end coaches. This one competes with all of them for a fraction of the price. So let's take a step inside and I'll kind of show you guys the features on it. All right, guys, welcome inside. Right over here, you've got your boot seating over here. That will fold into a bed. So I'll show you guys over here. Got all kinds of storage throughout this thing. This coach. Storage all the way through here. You got to feel this leather. It is some soft leather. We know throughout the years there's been some issues with the leather in these coaches. There's been about an 8-year bad run on them. They have corrected that. With new material, that is not an issue anymore. These are holding up very well. This booth will fold down into a bed. Another handy thing about this coach is you can hook up your phone to it, to the system of it, to be able to run your slides, all kinds of systems through it. So all kinds of options on this coach. Step around here to the other side. Got your real nice microwave. It's a Furion brand convection microwave. This coach has no LP on it. You do have your dishwasher here. It's a Fisher and Paykel. Hopefully I'm saying that right. True induction stove. More storage throughout the coach. Cell Max Air. This is a remote control for your vent right above your kitchen here. It has a rain sensor built into it, so if it starts sprinkling a little bit, it closes itself. A lot of people don't know this, but if you get into, say it's about 40 degrees outside, and start running your furnace, you're going to build condensation like you wouldn't believe in a coach. It's just the way that it's always been. These walls will start condensating real bad. If you keep that open and cracked a little bit and running, it will pull that moisture out. So that's the main thing for these. Plus pulling out the smell, you know, so you're cooking bacon, it can make quite the smell and stick around. So make sure you use that. Over here, got your TV, and you actually have a hidden storage back here. More storage back here. So the main thing about this coach is the storage. You've got tons of storage. You've got beds galore. You can fit the whole family in here. Go camping, have a good time. Got your fireplace down here. This fireplace will heat this entire room. I'd say if you get down to about 45 degrees, you might have to start thinking about kicking on the actual furnace in this. But for the most part, that will heat your area here, and you'll save some diesel fuel actually. You got your Whisper Quiet ACs. So those are above the ceiling here. So you're not going to hear as much of the airflow and the AC running because it's a couple layers up. So that's very handy. Over here you got your Euroloft bed lift. We'll demonstrate that for you. Just got to turn the key on. Bring that guy down. And you have more places for people to sleep. Or you can use it as storage. You've got a real nice wood set down here. That's going to help with the cushion when you're laying on this bed, because it doesn't have a real thick cushion, but you know, you got to have room to put this thing back up. Up here you've got your 5G gateway WineGuard Wi-Fi connector, so you just have to get a subscription to that to make that work. You have Wi-Fi, so that's very handy. A lot of the campgrounds have that now, but usually when you got about 50 people using it, it's not the strongest, so might as well have your own, right? At least this one works. I don't know why I didn't turn the AC on in here. Maybe I wouldn't hold the button all the way. Real nice refrigerator. Twin cooling plus. It's a Samsung actually. So it's your residential refrigerator, so you can bring all of your goods with you. You don't have to stop to the grocery store get much. Just load this thing up and go. Get your real nice leather seats, captain's chairs. Lots of room in this, guys. All right, let's continue to the back. You can see behind me, you've got your bunk beds. It's already got the TVs. Already got your TVs mounted. So I will show you. You've already got your TVs mounted there. Got the curtains. So whoever's sleeping there gets a little bit of privacy. Then you got your bathroom. It's considered 2 bathrooms, really. Bath and a half, won't have a shower. So you got your real nice faucet, your residential style toilet and faucet in there. All kinds of room for you and the family. All right, now we're in the bedroom. So as you can see, we've got your ceiling fan up here. Very handy feature. Just keep that airflow. It's all about the airflow in an RV, you know. Got to have that. All right, guys, over here you got your bed. This is the Versatilt style. The main reason that this thing tilts up is just because when your rooms come in, there's such a narrow gap that mattress will close up against the cabinet. I'll show you right here. And so you just have to have room for that. Plus, you want to lay on it, tilt it back a little bit. Very handy. Got your TV up here. Like I was talking about your fan. You got all kinds of room in here. Another fireplace. This is a Serta mattress. Another Whisper Quiet AC. And of course, I was talking about your TV. And we come into the bathroom. All right, here we are in the bathroom. Big shower. As you can see, there's a lot of room in here. I'm 6'3", and a struggle for us taller guys and kind of wider guys is we struggle in these showers. I mean, I put my head in the skylight most of the time. You can see I'm getting this one, and I'm not in the skylight as bad. The shower head's the right height, so very spacious with the shower. Over here you've got your electric toilet. You hit your button, it flushes. You get a normal, eco mode, and empty mode. So that's very handy. You got dual sinks. Got your washer dryer in here. Several mirrors. More storage. So you open that up. You could, I mean, these are deep. So you can bring all kinds of things with you. So this is the tour of our Berkshire. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have more specs and everything for you at the end of the video. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll keep on making videos for you guys. Have a great day.